Today I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve this write errors you might be getting with external media, particularly flash drives, USB sticks, and whatnot. So if you're receiving this error when you're trying to copy files to the flash disk, or perhaps you are trying to reformat or modify the flash drive in some way, and you're receiving a write protected error, this brief tutorial will walk you guys through how to hopefully resolve it. So pretty straightforward. We're going to start by opening up our start menu, and we're going to type in regedit. Please know you're going to need administrative privileges in order to proceed with this tutorial. So I'm going to actually right click on regedit, which should be listed as our best match on Windows 10. Earlier versions of Windows should not say run command underneath. Just keep that in mind. So I'm going to right click on it, and then I'm going to left click on run as administrator. If you receive a user account control window, select yes. So now that we are in the registry editor, we're going to navigate using the following path. We're going to start by heading over to HKey local machine and left clicking on the little arrow besides it on the left. Now that we've done that, we're going to left click on the little arrow next to system. And now we're going to select the one next to current control set. Then we're going to select the one next to control. Okay, so now that we've expanded the control folder, what we want to do is right click on the control folder, and then we're going to left click on new, and then select key. So now underneath this new key, we're going to type in storage device policies. Then we're going to hit enter. So now that we are underneath the storage device policies key, on the right panel, we're going to right click in some blank space over here. Then I'm going to select new, and then I'm going to select dword 32-bit value here. So for the new value, we want to name it write protect. So write protect, W-R-I-T-E, protect, P-R-O-T-E-C-T, all one word. Close out of here just to save the name. Once you've done that, you want to double click on it. You want to select for value data, you want to make sure it's set to 0. If it's set to 1, you want to change it to 0, and then select OK. And then you can close out of the registry editor, and hopefully your write error has been resolved. So I hope this brief tutorial helped you guys out, and I will catch you in the next video. Goodbye.